Hey guys, it's MisslavishlÍ, aka Leah, and I'm back with another hair video. And in this video, I'm just going to show you guys how I maintain and revive my curls on my natural hair units. So that's like my curly wigs, whether they be long or short. This wig in particular, I purchased from IC Hair off of AliExpress, and it's a 13x6 frontal wig with Swiss lace. So as usual, I'm gonna go in with my bedhead hardhead and adhere the wig down, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I revive and maintain my curls after all that's completed. So right here, I almost forgot to use the alcohol before spraying the bedhead. And one tip, you guys probably already know this, but always use alcohol, whether you're using glue, got-to-be spray, gel, anything to adhere your lace down. Always use alcohol to remove any oils or anything that might be on your forehead beforehand. It helps the adhesive lay down a lot better, as well as a lot longer. Right here, I'm just going in and cutting a little bit more of my air tab off, because sometimes when you are reinstalling your units, you might have to go in and cut off just a little bit more lace than anticipated. But as long as it fits the air, everything's all good. So at this point, I'm just trying to figure out what hairstyle I want to go to work in. I wasn't sure whether or not I wanted to do the ponytail or do a side part. So I just ended up playing with the hair to see which style I wanted to go to work in. And as you guys can see and tell, I ended up going in with the side part. Right now I'm just prepping my hair for the foam by using a water spray bottle, and the foam that I'll be using is the Lotta Body mousse. Well, actually no, it's foam, not mousse. But I like the blue for my edges and the orange one for my curls, because the orange one is made for natural hair, and as you guys can see, it is a curly wig that I'm using. But you guys can buy either or. I would just go with the blue one because it's the original one, and it's the one that, you know, you can use it for your edges and for your curly hair. But, you know, to each his own. By the way, the orange one, I'm gonna try to include pictures, but the orange one is I think it's the milk and honey line, and the blue one is, yeah, just the original. I don't think it has any special like ingredient in there, but I know for sure that the orange one is a natural hair one, so it's the milk and honey line. So the secret to get really defined curls is to saturate it with water, and then go in with the foam. So that's the milk and honey line that I was telling you guys about by Lotta Body. I use the Lotta Body all the time. I actually tried using the Tresemme one, but I felt like that made my curls more stiff instead of defined and flowy, and I like my hair flowy, so I don't need no stiff hair. But that hold is a more stronger hold. The Lotta Body is a really light, so I like to go in with the Lotta Body after spraying my hair and then brush it through to make sure it gets on each curl, and make sure you lift the hair. The secret is to also lift the hair and put the mousse where you had lifted the hair as well. So like if I parted my hair in the back, I'm gonna spray it with the water and then the mousse. And I try to use more water than mousse because, you know, you don't want to run out of product so quickly. So I would say saturate your hair with water, not too much, but just damp enough. Brush it through and then go on top with the Lotta Body or whichever foam or mousse you'd like to use. And then to spice it up, to really have your curls juicy and poppin' and luscious, I'd add coconut oil to it, but just a really small amount, because again, it is a wig. You know, with oils and wigs, you know, they don't really mix too well, because then, you know, you have to wash it and then it gets sticky. Use a very, very small amount of coconut oil, spread it around your hand and run it through the hair. Now, I know this has nothing to do with hair, but don't you guys just hate when you're filming or you're doing something and that one family member just insists on having a conversation with you? Yes.
Did you sleep all last night?
Yes.
When?
I don't remember when, but I slept.
You mean this morning?
No, I slept last night.
You were up last night, Leah?
Oh.
You were up. You were chatting on the phone with who? Who are you talking to? Kalia?
China? No, it wasn't. So after a while of playing in the hair and moving it around, it does get a little bit bigger. So just go in with more water and mousse to better define your curls, and if you want to just lay it down. And another alternative that I use is some gel. So it could be any gel as long as it's lightweight. So that could be Eco Styler gel or the gel that I'm showing you guys, which is the Carol's Daughter gel. And the only reason why I'm using it is because I've had it for so long and I don't use it in my natural hair. So that's another product you guys could use if you don't have oil on hand. So we are at the end of the video. Thank you guys for staying tuned. And yeah, right now I was just trying to play with the clip because as you guys can see, I'm not sure how I want it to look, but I know I want the clip in. If you reached the end of this video, give it a nice big thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my channel for more hair videos, and don't forget to click on that bell for more videos. And also, if you guys have any looks or any styles that you guys would like to see me do, I really want to get out of my comfort zone. Let me know either through Instagram or down below in the comment section. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.